Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is Shout Out Monday, the day that Starrylock and I shout out Lock Sport channels under 100 subscribers. If you've got yourself a channel or you know of a channel under 100, can do the shout out, contact Starrylock or myself and we'll put you on the list. Requested shout out to get bumped up the list. Today's shout out is for EvenFluurrr. EvenFluurrr has 23 videos and one short. Let's check out their page. Now I'm on a different computer today and I don't have the same capabilities as I do on mine. So we might just have to do a bit of this and a bit of that, but we'll get by. They like to do challenge locks. They're very good at challenge locks, but they are a very talented picker. Check this out. A Miwa DS. I mean, come on. Also got the Duo, the Lockwoods. Definitely like their Lockwoods. And they also like their bare bones gear as well. Picked the Guard. The Avis 80 Ti. So let's, they've had, what's that, 11 months on the tube. So let's check out their latest video, which was just under 2 months ago now. And that is the one from Bare Bones. Now, I don't have the same large capabilities as I do on my other computer, so let's just go with this.
Hello. Today we got a package from Bare Bones. It is a geiles package. Mein Gott, I have been waiting for these things for almost a month, and I'm absolutely in love with them. The first thing I noticed right away.
Okay, you want to hear more about that review of the new bones? You've got you got the spine, you've got the finger, you've got some other things there as well. Let's go back to the home page. Okay, EvenFluurrr, check them out. They've got 60 subs up. Let's see if we can bump that up. Let's get them past the ton. That'd be really cool. Hit that first big milestone. Excellent. Check them out at EvenFluurrr7659. Link in the description below. Link to Starrylock. They'll be putting out their shout out later on today. We are a day apart. I'm Monday here, they're Sunday there. So that's the way we do it in the northern and southern hemisphere. We get 2 Mondays. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.